Hello, very chain judges. So I'm going to be guiding you on how to get started, right? So me and my teammates, we noticed that it's a little bit tricky to actually run the project because we actually didn't deploy the extension, right? So I'm going to teach you how to unpack the extension. First thing you want to do is you want to go to the Dora's link that leads to our project's GitHub, right? So when you come to the GitHub, in the README, you see a little get started. You want to click on the git clone extension, right? So there's a link here, you can copy it and go to the terminal you're using. You run that in, right? Please notice the directory you'll be saving this in because this is going to be important along the way. Okay, so you're going to list and you see the directories you have, and you want to open the project in the code editor you are comfortable with. So I'm going to use VS Code. So after opening that, you want to go to the back end and the front end. If you check your Dora Hacks message, I have sent you a link that shows you the back end and the front end as exactly as we used, because you need those exact ones to actually get started with our project. So you go there and you paste them in the env, right? Env, right? After doing that, you want to go back to your terminal and cd into the front end directory. After that, you want to build, right? Sorry, before you build, right, you need to install. So pmpm install to install all the dependencies to build the project. After installing, you'd want to build the extension, and how you're going to do that is you're going to run pmpm build extension, right? And while you're waiting for that to run, you can open that in the extension in any browser of your picking. I'm going to be using Brave because I'm mostly comfortable with that. So once you go to your Brave, I already made a lot of videos, so that's why you see it here. So I'm going to remove it from Brave and teach you how to add it yourself. Remove. So you go to manage extensions, right? And you go to load unpacked. When you go to load unpack, you go to whatever directory you clone the project in. For me, it is in projects, hackathons, very, and VeTerex, right? You want to cd into the front end, so you just click on the front end and you see this extension. That is what you want, right? Click on that and you click on select. After that, you see that the extension has appeared here, which is good. Then you can decide to pin it, and then yeah, there you have it. Your very extension is working locally. If you do not see this on load packed, it means that your developer mode is off, right? And watch, see it's off now, you can see it. So what you want to do is turn on developer mode before you go to the notepad and do the process we talked about. Thank you very much.